Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can delete channels and servers on Discord. So to do that, you are going to just edit channel here and select delete channel if you want to delete this channel, and you can also do it to text channels. And to delete your whole server, select the arrow going down, go to server settings, scroll down and select delete server, enter your server name and select delete server. It is as simple as that, and that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!